Personality plus, daily miracles, hope ignites every day.
Miracles every day. September 1st, 2025. Watch and reflect on how God is transforming your life. Do you already know God's love?
Listen to the beautiful story of a mother who adopted a 4-year-old girl from Haiti. The little girl, rejected by her biological parents, had experienced abuse, illness, and malnutrition. Eventually, she ended up in an orphanage where she was regularly beaten by the caregivers. Could this tiny wounded heart learn to trust again? Would she believe in the love of her new mom?
Perhaps you can relate. Maybe you have also experienced rejection or abuse, and now your heart struggles to trust. You no longer believe that anyone can truly love you.
This wise mother created a simple evening ritual. For 3 weeks, she massaged her little girl's cracked, calloused feet with shea butter, saying, "Missy, you are beautiful, you are brave, you are intelligent," and softly adding, "Mom loves you so very much, but Jesus loves you even more." And so she did every night.
During the first 2 weeks, Missy resisted, turning away from the words she heard. Surely no one in the orphanage had ever told her such things. On the contrary, she was given very little hope. One of the caregivers even said she probably would never learn to read or write.
By the 3rd week, Missy started glancing toward her mom, and after a month, she no longer turned away and began listening. Until the day came when she asked, "Mom, do you love Missy?" Her mother assured her, "Oh, sweetheart, I love you more than I can explain. I didn't even know I could love someone so deeply until I became your second mom." Then little Missy, with a sparkle in her eye and full conviction, said, "Mom loves Missy," and cuddled up to her.
Life wounds, disappointments, and betrayals often become barriers that keep us from opening our hearts to love. Where are you today? Maybe you still resist and cannot accept the loving words of Jesus.
Listen to what he says to you today. "I love you. You are beautiful, brave, and intelligent, simply unique, because I created and shaped you as I planned. I know you and what you're going through. Let me soothe you, wipe away your tears, and apply healing balm to your cracks, wounds, scars, and calluses. I love you."
Prepared by Onje Till and Bogusha Krul. Thank you for being here.
Personality plus, daily miracles, hope ignites every day.